Hey everyone, George from ZenHub here with another 2.5-minute tutorial. This tutorial will cover creating a ZenHub workspace and then inviting your team to ZenHub. Sounds simple, right? Yeah, it is. Here's how you do it in ZenHub. So I've logged into ZenHub and clicked the Create a New Workspace button. First, I'll put in a name and a description. So I'm going to pick repo to add that's got some GitHub issues in it that we've been working on. Click add and then click next. Now you're going to see columns that represent the workflow for your team. I'm going to add a couple. Now don't worry about the order right now. We'll take care of that in a moment. I'm going to click complete board setup and then I'm going to move a couple of things over. I'm going to move my sprint backlog to the right of my backlog, so work will flow from my backlog column to my sprint backlog column. And then I'm going to move my long-term goals column next to the icebox. All right, I'm going to collapse the icebox column because we're not going to use that for now. You'll notice that a bunch of issues are in this new issue column. So we're going to need to do a little bit of organization, but we'll rely on the team when we invite them to do the rest of it. I think the easiest thing that you can do is to select the current GitHub milestone that you're using, then click Select All, and then move to the Sprint Backlog column. And so that'll move the work that you already know is for the current sprint into the Sprint Backlog. And from there, let's start inviting people. So we're going to click Invite. And so while you can enter email addresses or names, the simplest thing is to just click copy link and then share that link with your team. And when they use that, they'll come right to the workspace that you've set up. Simple, right? Yeah, it is. See you next time.